I'm Rohan. I'm a director here on the user acquisition team, and I help lead some of Calm's growth marketing efforts. So Calm is a leading mental health brand, and we are on a mission to support everyone on their mental health journey. We are the #1 app for sleep, meditation, and relaxation on the App Store and the Google Play Store. One of the objectives that at Calm we also have is to not be over-reliant on certain sources and certain platforms. Of course, we are very big on paid search and paid social, but TV really allowed us the opportunity to deleverage ourselves a little bit and diversify our sources. One of the main reasons why we wanted to test into TV is the reach and the scale that it can give us. Our digital channels allow us to be in a one-to-one relationship with the users, where they are seeing an ad on their mobile device or laptop, whereas in a TV, you can kind of broadcast your message and offering in a one-to-many style. Generally, at Calm, we treat TV just like any other digital channel from a KPI standpoint. It's mostly down-funnel metrics like cost per install, cost per trial, which basically signifies the number of people who are signing up for a premium product. And kind of the North Star metric is the profitability metric, which is ROAS, the return on ad spend. We first tested on linear, and we decided to cast a wide net in order to reach the users and understand where our target demographic is and what they're watching. After that initial success on news, we even decided to secure a spot in the 2020 presidential election. That placement reached a level of social virality that we have never seen before. The campaign was a success not just on the basis of the data that Tatari provided us, but we were also independently able to verify it through the various consumer insights survey that we run on our end, and we were able to see a favorable increase in the brand awareness post the campaign. We wanted to better understand the potential impact that streaming would bring to us, and also wanted to get a better understanding of Tatari's measurement capabilities of streaming. So therefore, we decided to do a Hulu split IP test. So for the group that saw the ad, we saw a 27% lift in incremental installs within the first 7 minutes that the spot aired. And that continued to expand within the 28-day period. We saw a 60% lift in subscriptions. That really helped prove the power of streaming and the impact that it can have. After the incrementality test, we were convinced of streaming's power to drive impact for Calm. And we decided to scale up our investment in this channel. I think in the period that followed the incrementality test, between June to December, we launched campaigns across both linear and streaming together, and that drove around 612,000 incremental installs, and our CPA actually declined by 52%. Many brands think that they need a lot of marketing dollars to build creative specifically for TV. We haven't found that to be true. We run a lot of our ads, the same ads that run on our digital channels, and repurpose them and re-optimize them for running on TV. Some of the simplest ads have done really well for us and have been kind of an evergreen concept for us. An example of that would be the do nothing ad, which is basically just a 30 or a 15-second counter where we're just asking users to take a deep breath and slow down. And it has been a top performer. Our biggest hesitation was around measurement and how will we be able to measure its impact and inform our stakeholders and educate them internally. With Tatari's ad platforms, we were able to measure our business outcomes across both linear and streaming, and then we're able to independently verify it with the data that we see on our end and our back end. All this close collaboration and partnerships that we have experienced over the last 3-4 years is very much appreciated and something that is of great value.